Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making paper plate wreaths. The supplies we need for this craft are a paper plate, different construction papers, red, brown, orange, and yellow, some crayons, yellow, orange, and red, scissors, and some glue, either glue stick or regular glue. And the first thing we do is we're going to cut a hole in the paper plate, and I already did that. And then we're going to start gluing the leaves. You can either cut some out in white and color them if you want, or you can use construction paper and cut some different shapes out. And they can be any shapes you want. So. And then we'll start gluing them, and we thought that this would be a good gift for a Thanksgiving. If you're going to a Thanksgiving dinner, you can bring it with you to give to a grandma, or put on your table to make it more festive. Kind of to decorate. And you can make different shapes too, like different sizes. I have some little and some big to make it different. And I just felt like coloring mine, but you're welcome to use construction paper and just make them the colors you already want. There you go, and let it dry, and that's a wreath for fall or for Thanksgiving. We hope you like this craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.